I'm from cupcakedev.com. We are a small team of focused and dedicated developers building products worldwide. In fact, building products that would be used by users worldwide is my personal passion. So I've actually collected the entire team and growing and hiring them specifically for that purpose. We can create a browser extension for any browser, Chrome, Firefox, specifically Safari, which is one of the important browsers and super complex to figure out. We're doing this for more than 8 years. We have plenty of experience in a variety of different niches. You can trust us in security niche. We have one of the biggest AV company as one of our clients. You can check our references for that. We're well presented in e-commerce niche. We're building extensions for cashback companies, for coupon companies, for publishers worldwide. Contact me. I'm ready to help. I'll introduce you to our product team. We are here for your service. Get in touch, like and subscribe. Cheers. Bye-bye.